How's it going, guys? This is Tech Guy 404, and my laptop wants to say hi. So right now I just got me a Galanz, or Galanz, or not that. Anyway, I got a new microwave air fry plus convention oven. I saw this posted over in one of the trucking groups. I think it was called Cooking on the Truck. One guy got this. I got the 0.9 cubic feet. I believe the 0.9 is probably I can't remember what it was. I'll open up the box and find out here. But I believe it's a certain wattage basically for different sizes. If I could find something to cut this with. Yeah, we use this. Let's actually get it out of the box. Let me place this camera somewhere. Alright, so here is the new microwave plus air fry and convention oven. It's about, if I was to say, it's about probably a couple of inches bigger than this little microwave here. It's a little 700 watt microwave. You get like $50 at Walmart. One of the smaller ones for it. I have I believe it's a 2000 watt inverter. Alrighty, and there we go. It is it's pretty much a tight fit there. Now so I would probably recommend, if you have a Kenworth, I would probably recommend the 0.9 cubic feet. And I have a coil in my way. So yeah, that is quite tight. I'm quite lucky that should fit. So let's take everything out of here. That's all the inside. And also, I also got a couple of things to test out with it. I got one of the deep dish pizzas and a garlic bread. Let's not destroy my TV. My box lid got into the screen. Got little breadsticks, and also got one of the Red Baron deep dish pizzas. So we're gonna try that out and see if it works. I also got some other stuff in the fridge. For instance, I got crab cakes, and there's another one that I have that I don't remember the name to. But alright, so let's see. We're gonna go ahead and start with the deep dish pizza here. And based on the directions I was reading, I'm assuming that I'm supposed to keep the glass turntable in here. So it didn't really detail a lot. It just really detailed how the step-by-step on certain functions such as baking, air fry, and all that. Let's see. Now I wonder if I may go ahead and try. Pretty sure it's not recommended, but I mean, you know what? I'm just gonna try the bake function for it. 350, so AB1. Doesn't really give any other presets for it. I think the rest of it is just for timing. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and that's on 350. Let's go ahead and close this. Well, they got everything. Let me go ahead and take this tape off. Let's not do that mistake like I done last time a long time ago. I got one toaster oven and I took everything out, thought I'd take everything out, and I noticed something burning. And like, oh, there's cardboard right by the heating elements. Although later on when I ended up getting a new one, it wasn't because that broke, it was because some other stuff I left over the road for a while. I got a new one, and well, they didn't finally have that, so I guess they decided to fix that. Let's see. And then a time. Let's go by, where's the box? Let's go by this here. We're gonna go by about 25 minutes until the cheese is melted. I'm just gonna hold this button down until it goes up to 24, and we're gonna hope it starts. Nothing's blown up yet, but looks like it's starting up now. I wish I was able to. Jeez, I wish I was able to see the inside a little bit better. But that's starting, and I guess we will come back in like the next 20 or so minutes, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, and here is the pizza, even though I already kind of ate one already. But actually came out pretty good. I stopped it a little bit early, probably about 10 minutes earlier or something like that. It came out pretty good. She's melted, it's not fully burnt. Bit golden brown, also still on the bottom. Actually, it came out pretty darn good, except my garlic bread. I think I set it for about 4 minutes. Probably should have did it for like 3 or 2 because it's kind of burnt a little bit. Well, I still got a little more. But that's it for that. I'm gonna probably work on my other ones. Probably warm up some crab cakes or something like that a little bit later on. But that is the video for this microwave plus air frying convention oven. Even though I didn't redo any kind of air frying in it, that'll probably be sometime later down the road. But that's the microwave here. It is a 0.9 cubic inch microwave. So I would also recommend, if you have a T680, that you'll be better off getting the 0.9 cubic inch microwave for this. Because I'm pretty sure if you get the highest one up, it'll be kind of a tight fit. But it has enough room for this, has enough room for ventilation and everything, so I recommend this size. If you have any other truck, I'm not sure if any other may fit, if the higher one up might fit, but then you're also going to be looking at your inverter size. I have a 2000 watt inverter, so this one, it's about 1000 watt, I believe it was, so it's big enough to handle it. Just be sure you have it plugged into another outlet. I would not recommend plugging it into the same outlets you have for this. And my little travesty here that I really need to clean up on. But it works pretty good. Everything came out pretty nicely. And that's the video. This is Tech Guy 404, and I'll see you around.